action. I'm Charlie, I'm a freelance photographer with experience in live music, automotive, extreme sports and most recently studio photography. After years of juggling 2 jobs, I'm finally ready to transition into full-time freelance photography. To kick things off, I'm going to talk about my absolute essentials and the items I take everywhere I go. Let's get it started.
$50mm 1.8, 24 to 70 2.8, 85 1.4, 14 1.8, R6 backup body, travel adapter, Canon V1, transmitter, small rig arm, front and rear caps, hot shoe, brush, batteries, lots of them, Canon charger, cleaning wipes, microfiber cloth.
Oh shit.
SSD, SD card, Nordic Spirit spare charger, Gran Canaria key, loop ear protection, spare ear protection, sensor cleaning, poncho.
See you on the next video.